Do you wake up feeling tired or with a sore jaw? You might be grinding your teeth at night. Bruxism, or teeth grinding, affects millions of people. Let's tackle it together. Night guards are your best defense. Here's why every bruxism sufferer should consider one. It's not just about night guards, though. Lifestyle changes can make a big difference. Stress management, proper sleep, and diet. Small changes, big impact on bruxism. Did you notice improvement or see other benefits by tackling your bruxism habits? Remember, taking care of your body today means less to worry about tomorrow.